Let's sprinkle some water on our watercolor and get this all going. I'm so excited about this progress. The color layer of the previous wash is actually so brilliant. I don't think I really need to touch it at all. I really love what happened. So I'm going to just focus on the details, the cork and the rope and the cork, and the finishes on these beautiful, what shall we call this? Not glyphs, symbols, runes. There's another word I'm looking for. It will come to me later. I'll maybe just pop it in magically here when I think of it. Okay, so let's make a mixture for this middle potion bottle. And I want to have a beautiful grey. So I'm gonna add some water in there, and I'm gonna use Payne's Grey and Mars Black. If you want to see the rest of this video, then join my Patreon community today, because all of the full tutorial information, behind the scenes content, magical moments, one-on-one chats, and deeper insights into the oracle of the spirit animal guide is all available on my Patreon. So use the link in the description of this video and join me today, because there's a lot of magical things happening right now.